Welcome back to the 2001 Gauss paper. It's me, Root Beer here. We're on to question number 3. So hopefully you've had a chance to take a look at it. If not, click the link in the description and get a copy of the contest for yourself. And try it out for yourself. We're on question number 3, as I say. So try question number 3 before moving on. Alright. So let's take a look. What does question 3 actually say? I haven't had a chance to look at it myself. So this will be the first time I see it. The value of, and we're given this expression here, 3 times 4 squared minus 8 divided by 2 is, and we're just told to give this calculation here. Okay. So, since calculators are allowed on these multiple choice contests, calculators are permitted, we have sort of 2 options. First one, if you have a calculator which is advanced enough that it does order of operations for you, just write the equation that you're given in to your calculator, press equals, and let it do its magic for you. Okay? That's one of the great advantages of modern calculators, is that a lot of them will do the order operations for you. You can put in this really nice long string of calculation, and it'll give the right answer to you. If not, that's okay. We can work it out by hand, and that's what I'm going to do. So with this particular question, they're just asking us for a straight computation. And what they're trying to get at is, they want to know, do you know how to do order of operations? And the order of operations is parentheses, also called brackets, and then you do exponents or orders. So this to the power of 2 would come after all the brackets are done. Division and multiplication are next, done left to right, and then addition and subtraction come after that, done left to right. So we take care of everything inside the brackets first, and then we worry about all those other operations, all those other steps. So, to do this question by hand, we just very quickly go through the order of operations. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication / division, they are basically at the same level, and addition, subtraction, they're at the same level, and we go left to right if we're in doubt. Okay. So inside parentheses, we would do order of operations within that specific parentheses, although we're not going to get to that in this question. We just need to remember the order of operations. So we start at the top and work our way down the list. So it's 3 times 4 squared minus, and I think it was 8 divided by 2. We'll just double check. 3 times 4 squared minus 8 divided by 2. Fantastic. Okay. So the first thing we do is we say, okay, we start at the top of the list, parentheses. Are there any parentheses in this equation? Yeah, there's at least one. So we go left to right and we say, okay, what's the first one? And we'll deal with that first. So everything else stays the same. But now inside these parentheses, we need to resolve whatever's in here. Well, it's just 8 divided by 2, and that's not that hard to figure out. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we've changed these parentheses, we did the equation inside of it, and we came out with 4. We did that before anything else changes. Okay? Now we ask ourselves, okay, are there more parentheses? No, there's nothing left to do there. So we move down the list to exponents. Are there any exponents? Yes, there's one. It's 4 squared right here, so before anything else, so everything else stays the same, we do 4 squared. What's 4 squared? Well, it's 4 times 4, which your calculator will tell you is 16. Okay. So having done that, we ask, okay, are there any parentheses or exponents left over? No, there's nothing left. So we move down the list to multiplication and division. There's exactly one multiplication and division, and it's 3 times 16. So we figure that out, and everything else in the equation stays the same. Okay. And finally, we're left with 48 minus 4. There's no parentheses, exponents, or multiplication division left. It's just a single addition and subtraction that we need to worry about. 48 minus 4 gives us an answer of 44. Okay. And if memory serves, there was a 44 somewhere in the list. There it is. So the answer to 3 is A. Alright. So we'll grab ourselves a brand new piece of paper, because we're going to get a look at question number 4, but we'll have to wait for that in the next video. So I'll see you guys then.